Good morning friends. In this video we are going to see about share market astrology. We already posted one video and we got excellent response. First of all, thanks to all the viewers which encourages to post another video on share market. Here in this video we will explain how to use Panapara degrees in share market and make money out of it. So before going into the video, a humble request to all the viewers. If anyone is saying I am going to teach you share market techniques, just ask them whether they are trading or investing using their techniques which they are going to teach you with their own money in their own trading account. Because speaking is easy, practical execution is different. And if that is going to be a great secret, then why they are going to teach you? So try to ask these hard questions which make them feel uncomfortable, but don't hesitate to ask them. If they say yes, ask them for the proof, like we are showing the trading contracts. But Guruji is sharing the techniques. Why? As we all know, he is 86 years old and he is at the end of his life. So he wants to share all the techniques before he leaves. That's the reason. This is just to safeguard ourselves. We have to ask tough questions to those persons who are taking classes. That's it, nothing else. So now let's go to the video. So as we all know, Panapara degrees we are dividing each Rasi into 12 parts. That is 0 degree to 230, 230 to 5, 5 to 730. The first division is Kendra, second division is Panapara, third division is Apoklima. So like this, if we go on dividing it, we will get 4 Panapara divisions, which are 230 to 5 degrees, 10 to 1230 degrees, then 17 and after 20, then 25 to 2730. First, what we have to do is we have to note down which are the planets in these degrees in our natal chart. That is the Panapara degrees. They are Panapara planets. Say for example, in the above chart, the Lagna is Taurus. There, 3 planets are in Panapara: Jupiter, Venus, and Sun. So what we have to do is first make a note of these planets, and whenever Moon transits in this planet's constellation, then that is a lucky day for us. So here Jupiter constellation, Venus, Sun. That means every month total 9 constellations are there. So 9 lucky days. Out of the 24 hours, Moon should transit in Panapara degree also. In the above example, we have taken on 29th April 2020. There the nakshatra is Punarvasu. That is ruled by Jupiter, which is one of the Panapara planets, which we have highlighted in the natal chart. So, Moon, the Punarvasu nakshatra starts from 20 degrees in Gemini and ends in 3 degree 20 minutes in Cancer. So, the Panapara division comes in 25 degree to 27 and half, which is also the second house in the natal chart, which indicates money, and also 5th house. Both the owners are same, Mercury. So now Moon enters into this Panapara division around 10:35 am on 29th April 2020. So that's the time to enter into trades. So now you can see the above charts. First trade we have taken on Bank Nifty around 21,700 or so. The trading contracts, the index futures we have mentioned and highlighted the time 11:15 and also the price. And we have entered one more share, Adani Ports, around 245. The price is around 277 rupees. So both the charts we have given, and you can see after that what happened to Bank Nifty, which rose above almost 1000 points, and also Adani Ports, which rise almost I think 7%, 7 to 8%. So that's the power of Panapara. So why we have taken these sectors is Jupiter is for Bank Nifty. The Karaka of bank is Jupiter. So we have taken bank, that is the index futures. Those who are familiar with markets will be knowing this. In graph we have shown the spot chart of Bank Nifty instead of futures chart, because spot chart is reliable more than futures. So we have shown that. And Adani ports we have shown in the cash segment. So on the next slide we can see the contract also, which indicates the time, second and entry price. So we can cross check with the NSE also whether it is true or not. Now the Panapara degree has favored us a lot in those 3 to 4 hours. The two shares have given excellent returns. So what we have done is two simple things. Note down the planets in Panapara degrees and take the day in which moon is transiting on those planets degrees and in Panapara division. That's it. Then Bank Nifty we have given the reason why we have taken the Bank Nifty, because Jupiter is the Karaka for bank. And for Adani ports, Guruji has recently posted how to take the sectors in Facebook, so we can go through that. Based on that he has selected the share, and also many of you will be having the doubts how to select sector and in that sector which share, and in that share whether you have to buy or sell, that is short selling. So these are the few doubts most of us will be having. So we will be posting separate videos in the coming days, so no need to worry about that. And also we'll be taking some classes if required, so you can attend if you are interested, or you can watch it in the YouTube channel itself. So if you have any doubts you can post in the comment section, and also you can WhatsApp your queries. And you can also don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever we post a video. So once again, thanks for your excellent response in our first video, which made us to post this video. So hope we will be posting more videos related to stock market in the coming days. Thank you. Take care. Bye.